Mechanical handling unit loads, sacks, boxes, etc. Eliminating unit loads. Consider replacing sacks, liquid ingredient containers, boxed ingredients, etc. with bulk storage arrangements such as metal silos, bulk liquid containers, or 1 or 2 tonne FIBCs, flexible intermediate bulk containers that can be raised into position by mechanical means, for example, by forklift truck. Full mechanical handling. Where bulk storage arrangements are not possible, consider installing full mechanical handling options for unit loads. For example, vacuum lifting devices, conveyors, and computerized vacuum lift assisted palletisers. Partial mechanical handling. Where full mechanical handling is not reasonably practicable, consider installing devices that assist manual handling. For example, scissor lifts with rotating tables to raise or position loads at work height. For sack handling, consider platforms adjacent to hoppers to rest sacks on, or bag splitters that automatically cut open and tip sacks into hoppers.